How to turn flash notification on iPhone. So let's begin by opening our settings and then scroll down and look for accessibility. Once you're in accessibility, you should scroll down and look for the hearing section. Once you're right there, click on audio or visual and then scroll down to the bottom of the page and look for visual section. Click on LED flash for alerts and turn on LED flash for alerts by clicking on this toggle button and ensure that this toggle button will turn into green and not gray. You may also opt to change flash while unlocked and flash in silent mode. So again, you should go to accessibility, go to audio or visual, go to LED flash for alert and turn on LED flash for alerts right here. So that's it. That's how you can turn flash notification on iPhone.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.